In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up paid subscriptions on Substack. Paid subscriptions let your most engaged readers support your work and unlock premium posts, newsletters, and more. Before we begin, make sure you can sign in to your Substack account and have basic payout details handy for Stripe, the payment processor Substack uses. Stripe is secure and widely supported, and it may ask for identity and banking information to verify your account. First, open Substack in your web browser. If you're not already signed in, log in so you land on your publication. Next, go to your dashboard. This is your creator home base, where you manage posts, audience, and monetization. If you don't see it right away, use the site's navigation to get to your dashboard. Inside the dashboard, click Home. This overview tab is where Substack surfaces set up tasks and features, including payments. Now click on Turn on Paid Subscriptions. This begins the setup process and prepares your publication to accept payments. Nothing is charged yet. You're simply enabling the option. When prompted, click Connect Stripe. Think of this as linking your Substack to a secure bank terminal. Stripe handles the payment flow, fraud protection, and payouts to your account. Click. Continue to move into the Stripe connection flow. You'll be redirected to Stripe in a secure window. On the Stripe page, click Sign in with Google. Using your Google account can speed up sign-in and reduce manual entry. You'll see a standard Google authorization screen. Click your account to confirm which Google profile you want to use. Authentication happens with Google, and then you'll return to Stripe to finish onboarding. From here, follow the prompts. Stripe will guide you step by step to enter details such as your legal or business name, address, website, bank account for payouts, and any required tax or identity information. Provide accurate information so payouts run smoothly. Depending on your country, you may be asked to verify your identity and complete compliance forms. If you need extra time, Stripe often lets you save and return to finish later. Once the prompts are complete, Stripe connects back to Substack and paid subscriptions are turned on. You'll see confirmation in your Substack dashboard and your publication is ready to accept paid readers. That's it. You've opened Substack, gone to your dashboard, clicked Home, turned on paid subscriptions, connected Stripe, continued, signed in with Google, selected your account, and followed the prompts to finish.